Hi guys, let's going to see about the inheritance. So what is mean by inheritance? In C++, so understanding about the inheritance is crucial for building a reusable and efficient code. So this is one comprehensive guide which we will follow for the inheritance. So, for learning about the syntax and usage of single inheritance and multiple inheritance in C++, we have to first understand about the base class and a derived class of the relationship. So, in C++, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. So when we group the inheritance concept, the derived class is mainly represents as child and base class is represents as parent. So the class being inherited from the another class. So here access specifier, which access specifiers is always significance of public, proprietary and private. The private access specifiers is always followed by the inheritance. So understand their impact on accessibility of the members, variables and functions. Polymorphism. So discovering the power of polymorphism through virtual functions and dynamics bindings, it is very flexible and an extension code. So inheritance and constructors. So in inheritance, by understanding between the constructors, the base class and derived class will expose and best practice for the installation the base class for sub object in the derived class of the constructors. So let's see the some example. So in example we will build the as a base class as vehicle. So in vehicle there may be many type of transports available. So if we open the class as vehicle means the in vehicle the public will consider as for and in derived class the vehicle will represent the class as car, and the street that is public we have instead for Ford. So the derived class will depends upon the base class. So in derived class we are going to frame car. So it is an vehicles, it's already represents as a car, and the function the brand is Ford. So here we will in a public vehicle we will represent the Mustang, so the car name. So this type we will represents in base from base class to derived class. So in main function the car is acts as the object, and the car is represents as the model plus brand. So this is a good example for the inheritance. So here next we are going to see about the compare and contrast about the inheritance with composition in C++. So evaluating the trade-off and scenarios where one approach is most suitable than the others. So advanced inheritance techniques. So advanced inheritance techniques will always follows the virtual base class. So develop into advanced topics such as virtual base class, abstract class, and interface interference. So these techniques will always enhance to code modularity and functionality and flexibility. So conclusion. The inheritance in C++ is a powerful mechanism for building a hierarchical and modular code. So mastering inheritance empowers developers to create a robust and scalable software solutions. So multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, we have not seen about the multi-level inheritance. In C++, multi-level inheritance is also represents by grandchild is a derived class from the class of my child, and which is derived by the three parts. So it is more than two classes will represent as the multi-level inheritance. So here the grandchild, son, father and son, this is the good example for the multi-level inheritance. Thank you.